Hello, remote family. So I'm back with second job lead of the day, and the opening which I have is with this company, Med1. And as always, this is a 100% a no phone work from home job. So let's get into the job details. So they are looking for data entry specialist, which is a 100% remote job. So, as a data entry specialist, you will perform technical functions in supporting the daily operations of Med1 clinical services. If you are a detail oriented individual who enjoys helping others while multitasking in a fast paced environment. So, here are the job functions. You will support operations of Med1 clinical services. You will initiate prior authorization request. You will review incoming prior authorization documents for completeness. You will prepare clinical review documentation for review by a Med1 clinical pharmacist. You will communicate clinical review decisions to pharmacists and providers. You will file completed prior authorization document and enter clinical review determination into the claims processing system. You will communicate the status of clinical reviews with patients and update clinical authorization criteria and clinical review request forms under the direction of a clinical pharmacist. So, the requirement for a job role, you must be detail oriented and precise and have excellent interpersonal, written and verbal skills, strong customer service and teamwork skills, must have strong understanding of Microsoft Office and must be able to type at a minimum of 30 words per minute and must be able to work independently, meet deadlines, establish priorities and be flexible. So, this position can be based at corporate, it can be hybrid or remote. So it's a full-time hourly position for 40 hours per week. And they haven't mentioned the salary which they are offering, but on the Glassdoor as a check, I found that the salary for data entry specialist in the United States is around $39,000 per annum. So if you're interested in this job role, which is a no phone job work from home, then please apply for the same. I will be sharing the link below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed this video as well. And if you are looking for a work from home job, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.